What is going on, guys? We are back at it again. We are at a nighttime meet, and well, as you can hear, it's pretty rowdy already, so let's go ahead and check it out. Just so you guys know, that's just all smoke from a burnout that I just missed. All that content. Guys, I literally just got here, and check it out. Police already coming in the house. All right, let's get where the action is. Wow, check out that wrap. That's awesome. If you can't tell already, this is a real cop down there, and they really don't care about it. I think they're gonna get shut down. I literally just got here, and everyone's leaving. There we go. Plan B. We're gonna follow everyone, so everyone's headed out. They're pushing us out of here. Now we arrived to the second location. Let's get to it. Got nice lights on there. Lifted Jeep. Dang, we got a nice McLaren showing up. Do a donut. Oh, he's flexing. Big trucks next. Let it go. All right, 3.7, let's go. Here, burnout. Just chill on top of an Escalade when you're waiting for people to burn out. That's clean, I gotta admit. And
are you a YouTuber?
yeah,
I got you, bro.
All right. Dude told me that he was gonna get his charger. Let's do it. We got the 5-0! Time's up at this place. I gotta admit, I don't know how many other places I could go to, man. He did it. I swear. Oh, man. Shutting it down, quick. What is that doing? Cops came, and they're still doing burnouts. Oh, that's a clean Camaro. Dang. Someone two-stepping over there. All right, y'all, let me know in the comments below what was your favorite ride. I know we didn't get to kind of inspect the rides this time because they were moving pretty fast. But anyways, without further ado, that effectively ends today's video. I was genuinely surprised at everything, honestly. Anyways, y'all have a great day. Peace.